Hello and welcome to I Can't Say It, day 340. We are getting close to 365. Can you believe it? Oh, man. All right. I weighed myself today. Number was horrible. I'm not even going to say what the number was. Not going to record it for posterity. Not doing it. Let's just leave it at that. Got U2 going on in the background because U2 is the kind of music that you can listen to and just sort of let it be in the background and not really think too much about it. But if you felt like thinking about it, you could start going, oh, yeah, that's kind of a nice groove. So what did I do today at work? One of those crazy days where I just sat there and organized. Somebody once said that Swedish people are insane planners. And it's possible that that's true. So I took the time to organize. And that is what I did. You go to my cube right now, it is pretty freaking clean. I sat there, I have my spreadsheet called Getting Organized, and I got organized. That's what I did. Listened to music, went on a short walk, came back, got organized. Sometimes I listened to music, sometimes I didn't. Actually, I think the last half of the day, I listened to it for a little bit and then I stopped with the music. It was just easier to stay focused on what I needed to do without having the extra sounds going in my ears. I might have had headphones on, but I didn't really listen to too much music. So please note that sometimes music is good when you're doing certain types of work, but other types of work, like organizing, doesn't really work too well. Or at least it hasn't worked for me sometimes. So, oh well. So tomorrow's going to shorten day. We have Hanukkah dinner. But I'm organized. I'm on top of things. That means I can do whatever I want. I can look into something. I can research. I can study. I can take a webinar. I can dig deeper. I mean, once I own everything and everything's in somebody else's inbox, woo! Then I'm sitting there and I can focus. I got that time. So I am pretty freaking excited about that. I don't know what tomorrow's emails are going to look. I saw my inbox now. I had 13. Don't know what they said. Don't need to know what they said. So that's, you almost kind of wish I wasn't going to Hanukkah's dinner so that I could have 2 extra hours of fun. But at any rate, we're still going to go. And we'll hopefully build on this progress today. All right. It's late. It's coming up on 11:30. It's time to go to sleep. So I'm going to bid you adieu and wish you all a pleasant evening and remind you all that tomorrow is Friday. And there ain't nothing quite like a Friday because it leads into Saturday. Funny how all the different days of the week have different feelings about them. Most people tend to hate Mondays. I never hated Mondays. It's never bothered me. Because, yes, there's Saturday, there's Sunday, you come back to work on Monday. You know what's going to happen. It's going to happen. It's there. It's always there. There's nothing that I do on Saturday and Sunday that impacts what's going to happen on Monday. So it's just another day. There are Saturdays and Sundays, which are free of work. And Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, which has work. That's all there is to it. So, yeah, if you expect me to react differently because it's a Monday or a Friday, in terms of attitude and whatnot, yeah, it doesn't usually happen. Except for Fridays, maybe. Fridays are a little, depends. Because sometimes Fridays can be horrible days. And you can have horrible days. So, yeah, honestly, it's best to just go in each and every day and just have a nice, wide open attitude toward whatever day it is and see what's going to come and just embrace it all. Embrace it. Can you do that? Can you just embrace it? The craziness, the nuttiness, the silence, the people asking you questions. Are you letting your hair grow? Okay. So once again, I'm going to bid you adieu before I ramble on some other tangent. Ooh, tangent. Sorry, it's a math term. We all know that tangent is equal to sine divided by cosine. So if you want to calculate the tangent of an angle like 45 degrees, it's 1. Because the sine of 45 divided by the cosine of 45, 1. But it's easier just to memorize tangent. is to remember tangent. So you got 45 degree, or I should say, so you got an isosceles right triangle. So it's opposite over adjacent. SOHCAHTOA. Remember that, guys? Remember that from your algebra trig class? Opposite over adjacent. So in a 45-45 right triangle, these two sides are always the same. So they're, when you divide them, you always get 1. So that's why you know that tangent of 45, 1. Cotangent, 1. Enough said about that math. Okay, wishing you all a happy Friday, and just hoping for donuts, because one time, remember that one time I hoped for donuts? There were donuts? No, I'm not hoping for donuts tomorrow. Tomorrow's D-Day, or not D-Day, but Pearl Harbor Day. So we're going to remember Pearl Harbor Day. Alrighty. So with that, take it easy. Talk to you later. Bye.